Appearance at today's COVID response briefing. Local 22's Devin Bates joins us now live in the newsroom with more. Devin?
Senator Sanders was on hand to explain what the recently passed federal relief package will do for Vermonters, and Governor Scott acknowledged that he hasn't been as quick to ease restrictions as nearby governors, but in the meantime, patience is key.
I'm not going to flip the switch like Texas or other states. I don't believe it's the safest or fastest way out of this crisis.
That being said, early next month, Vermonters can expect details on a plan to fully reopen much of the Green Mountain state. During a primetime address Thursday, President Biden set July 4th as the goal for a national return to relative normalcy.
We believe in Vermont. By the 4th of July, we'll be back to much more normal than the president had described last night. I think he had described maybe getting together for cookouts and small gatherings at home. We believe we'll be at that point in April.
In the short term, Governor Scott said there's going to be additional steps to reopen next week. That's also when a majority of Vermonters can expect their $1,400 stimulus checks, now that the $1.9 trillion federal relief bill has been put into action. Senator Bernie Sanders said the legislation focuses on the needs of ordinary people more than any other bill he's seen in his career.
$152 million will be coming into the state of Vermont for rent and utility relief, almost a tripling of funding for summer programs. There will be a significant increase in funding for community health centers in Vermont and around the country.
Nearly 140,000 Vermonters have received at least one dose of the vaccine, and State Health Commissioner Dr. Mark Levine is proud that he can now count himself among them. He stopped by the vaccination clinic at the Essex Fairgrounds, and ahead of the visit, Vermont's top health official reflected on the milestone.
Like many of you, I look forward to spending time with family and friends, to seeing my out-of-state son and his wife, and my daughter and her husband, and hugging my granddaughter. And yes, hugging will be in order, and will be the doctor's order for all of you who follow in my footsteps.
And following in Dr. Levine's footsteps right now are Vermonters 16 and older with certain high-risk conditions who have begun signing up for appointments. At the end of March, the state will go back to the age banding process with 60 plus. Live in the newsroom, Devin Bates, Local 22 News.